weather update for Jackson, Michigan and Brooklyn, Michigan and the surrounding counties. It will storm around 3 or 4 or 5. 3, 4, or 5. Clouds are looking cloudy. There. So, it will maybe rain around 3, 4, or 5. Actually, no, it's not 3 anymore, so maybe 4. I'm leaning toward 4:30-ish. It will probably start raining. Depends on what the clouds look like. So just stay weather aware. There might be some rain, severe thunderstorm, maybe something like that. Stay weather aware and have a nice day.